Welcome to RTX 2101 and 2801 Power Supply Replacement Training. Note: the RTX 2101 and 2801 series may utilize two different power supplies depending on the contract. These power supplies are similar in size and mounting. Let's take a closer look at power supply removal and installation. Disconnect power to the display prior to servicing the power supply. Power supplies are mounted to the verticals in the top of the display section. To access the power supply, first remove the beverage shroud from the section. Then remove the column of modules in front of the power supply to access the power supply mounting hardware. Disconnect the cables connected to the power supply, then loosen and remove mounting hardware securing the power supply to the bracket. Reverse these steps to install a power supply.